Hi everyone, and welcome back to the market update for June 2024 for the zip codes, all of the surrounding areas of Myrtle Beach. So as you can see, there's 2023, and I just want to let you know that all in June, everything was above what it was a year ago in 2023, except for 29566 and 295, which is Little River, and 29526, which is Conway. Everything else was up. So I'm going to go ahead and you guys can go back and look at this. So 29566 average price per square foot, 398,629, that went down. Average days on market 135, 154 is the average price per square foot, 3.3 months supply, 234 active listings, 97 pending sales, and 87 closed sales. 29576 Myrtle's Inlet and Garden City, average was 592, 394, average days on market 80, 199 is the price per square foot, 3.3 months of supply, 166 active listings, 60 pending sales, and 65 closed sales. 29582 North Myrtle Beach, average price per square foot, or average sales price, sorry, 639, 650, 77 days on market. It was the average price per square foot, 272, months of supply 4.1, 192 active listings, 48 pending, and 53 closed sales. 29526, which is Conway. This is the other one that went down, 337, 246. Average days on market 105, 144 is the price per square foot on average, 3.7 months of supply, 423 active listings. They are building out there. 146 pending sales and 129 closed sales. That is awesome, especially compared to even last year, which was up last year. Okay, 29527, also Conway, was up 298. 085, 130 days is average days on market, 146 price per square foot, 3.7 months of supply, 159 active listings, 48 pending, and 47 closed. Look at the difference there, wow. From just Conway, different areas of Conway. 29568, which is, I want to say it's Loris. Oh, no, it's Longs. No, it's Loris, sorry. It's Loris. 331, 645, average days on market 145. 148 is the average price per square foot, 3.5% months of supply, 266 active listings. They're building out there like crazy. 94 pending sales and 80 closed sales. This is great for being in a recession, folks, let me just tell you. And the prices, remember, are higher for interest rates, but a lot of people are paying them down right now, which is awesome. You can have the sellers, give you some incentive to pay down your mortgage rate, which really helps. Okay, 29569. 340 is the average, 345.66 is the average sales price, 134 days on market, 154 is the average price per square foot. Oh wow, now this is getting a lot. 6.0 and over is where they start talking about turning into a buyer's market. So right on the cusp right there. 132 active listings, 34 pending sales, 22 closed sales. And that's the lowest of all of them right there. 29585 is down in Pawleys Island. Excellent compared to last year at this time, by quite a bit. 1,019,327 was the average sales price. That's awesome, Pawleys Island. 73 average days on market. 261 is their average price per square foot. 3.1 supply month supply of inventory. 88 active listings, 44 pending, and 28 closed sales. Last but not least, 29575, which is a combination of This is actually just Surfside Beach, because Myrtle Beach also shares this, but we break it down. So in Surfside Beach, great 608,072, great price for your average sales price. 81 average days on market. $237 is the average price per square foot. 2.3, that's the lowest inventory around, or months of supply. 2.3. 64 active listings, 29 pending sales, and 27 closed sales. Well, I just wanted to let you know that 2024 definitely has proven to be higher than 2023 was. So we're going strong, even though we're really in a recession compared to, where we were just 2 years ago. So, with the new election coming, things will be changing. So stay tuned. I'm always here to answer any questions. You can reach out to me at 843-222-7800. I'm Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand. Take care. Thanks for listening.